It's been a day, stressing out like crazy. Just wanna be lazy with.
Hey guys, today is a snow day and I woke up so early because I thought I was gonna go to work. It's Thanksgiving week. I was off yesterday because the kids has no school this week, and today was supposed to be my family's off day again. But since the weather is really bad, they canceled work. So I talked to my boss earlier this morning just to give an update and stuff like that, and then had my coffee. I woke up pretty early, around like 5:30, thinking there's work. I should have read my email last night because they sent an email last night that we're closed today. But anyway, since I cannot go to yoga and do my scalp class, I'm gonna do some workout shoveling snow while everyone's still sleeping. So join me and Nutmeg. We're gonna go shovel the snow, and I'm just gonna bundle up, trying to put shoes and stuff, but I want to vlog today's activity. And this is gonna be a long vlog because right now I'm rambling already. But anyway, I'll see you outside.
Hi girls, it's been a day. We gonna get
I need to
wavy.
get a shovel first, but this is our garage. It's so cute. I love how Tony's car looks like here. Feels like I'm going back in the day. So there's the shovel. So I got the shovel, and Nameg's excited because he knows he can play in the snow. So we're gonna go outside in the snow. Yeah, I set up the tree already because I'm that person. I'm from the Philippines and we celebrate Christmas early, but I'm not done yet. But I'll film later on how the tree looks like. And that's our front room. Are you ready, Nutmeg? You ready, love? So this is the outside. We're supposed to get more snow, but this is a lot of snow. Look at Nutmeg. It's buried already there. There's another car that Tony have, and this is our front yard. It's a lot of snow, as you can see right there. It's like a foot of snow, they said. So I'm gonna shovel this. Looks like the raccoons are back. I'll insert the video on these raccoons that travel in our front porch. And there's my little Christmas tree. And then I'll show you my little guy right here. He's so
Layer
cute.
on some diamonds
Okay,
and
so far I shovel from there to here. That's probably one car, but look how much snow we got. So much snow. I still got lots to do. What is that?
pearls. Maybe we could go to the mall, get our nails done, get our hair done, we fly. Maybe we could holler at the boys, looking so good.
So this is how much snow I shoveled. So if that's my boots, it's pretty almost on my knees.
Yeah, we won't let them
And
get away with that. We
snow.
walk taller, heads held high, 'cause we so motherfucking.
We're back inside, and the snow was really crazy. It's so much, but I'm glad I'm inside. I finished. I got my workout done, so that's my workout for today. This is my hairdo after the snow. It's pretty windy out there and icy. And I'll see you in a video. We made pancakes.
And we made some pancakes with chocolate chips in them, and we did some stuff, and now we're gonna go sledding. Bye.
Aiden! Aiden! We are back in Ruby Hill, and it's a snowstorm, and since the kids are so active, they don't want to stay at home and cuddle in the fire. They just want to snowboard. I mean sled. We're sledding, we're not snowboarding, but I think Tony brought some his slow snowboards and stuff like that. But are you not moving, Liz?
It's so far away.
And there's a family. We are here in the Ruby Hill Amphitheater, and there they are up there. The snow is pretty deep. Can't even like climb up in this thing. Trying to make a path.
Some pearls. Maybe we could go to the mall.
He brought an old snowboard, and there he is. What a pow! The snow is pretty crazy right now, and we're trying to make a track. And there they are. as you can see over there. It's not a lot of people braved the storm to go here, but we're getting bored inside the house, so we got out. I was not wanting to get out because the road condition were really bad, but here I am. Hi guys! Pass me the orange one. This is better? Oh gosh. Oh, you gonna climb up in there? So high!
Get our nails done, get our hair done, we fly.
Come on, Liza! Ate, I need you. Heads up, Liza!
Who's going with me next time?
How are you, Chidar? Look at that guy riding.
I know I'm not going.
What is that? Ah!
No!
Oh, where did you go?
So having Dad push just to get out of the house.
I know, me too. Okay, look at me. See?
Are you sure you don't want to ride with me? Are you sure you want to ride with me?
He's singing, "Do you build a snowman?" Aiden, you have a mustache.
Touch I move!
Mr. Macho and Little Macho coming down for you. Come on.
I'm forging a new path.
I accidentally did, so I closed it off.
Oh yeah! Oh yeah! Oh yeah!
Where are you going?
Mom, give me.
Yeah, get better.
Nice. Oh!
Back. Yeah!
Yeah! Keep going.
I think it's getting too big. Alright, let's go.
Whoa! Good job, Aiden!
Oh.
How far did you go?
Far?
Far? My snow angel? What about your legs? Are you doing it, Aiden?
Give me another board.
Okay, hold on.
Let me see what you build, babe. Here baby. Oopsie.
Lay down and do that.
Maybe we can holler at the boys, looking so good, just when they walk by, cause we know what they.
Here comes Aiden. Nice. Whoa.
Me too.
Here comes Liza. Woohoo.
There you go, there you go.
Yay. Bye. Bye.
That looks like you for sure, Liza. You should just go down as just a random.
Here comes Liza. Heads up.
I think we should just try the first one. You guys snowboard the jump?
Try it.
Or do you think I'll ruin it?
Thanks for watching. Make sure to do a thumbs up and subscribe. Bye.
Alright, I need someone to go with me.
I'll go with you. No.
So that was our trip in Ruby Hill, and we're pretty much sunburned, like really bad right now, but it's alright. We have fun. You guys have fun? Do you have fun?
Yeah.
Yeah?
See you in the next video. Bye. Make sure to like and subscribe.
We're picking up some pho. Pho. What?